it's already sucked your blood.
What?
Yeah, it's big now.
How has this happened?
Hello, Josie and Kim here.
And we're at a river cruise.
Oh, so far so good.
Oh my.
Oh, hi.
This is insane. And we have this. How amazing is this? It's like a sitting area.
It's so cute.
Oh, I thought that's not cute.
On the inside or outside? Oh
Inside.
shit, inside. Okay, buddy. I don't know. Yes, thank you.
So far so good. And in about an hour, we're gonna go for the first cruise down the river.
What was that?
Like this mosquito thing on my new shaved legs.
Ooh. So that was the river cruise.
Yes, really nice.
Yeah, it lasted for like 2 hours.
And it opened up with wild orangutans.
Yeah,
How cool is that?
like being that lucky, I did not expect that. But yeah, no, definitely a lot of fun. Good morning.
It's 5:45 in the morning.
Yeah. So we're gonna do the morning cruise now.
So just tag along and see what happens with this wildlife.
I'm on my way to another beautiful day. Holding my love like she'll never float away. Blessed by the winds of our Carolina home. Thoughts of you never leave me alone. Home, home.
That was the morning cruise. Didn't get to see that much. We saw a crocodile, a lot of birds, some monkeys, but a very good start on the day.
Don't want to leave.
Okay, so only like 1.5 hour rest and then we're out again.
Yeah, and we're going for a jungle trek. So hopefully no spiders. These boots are so big. Like, I think my toe is there. Apparently there's a lot of leeches. So it's like kind of like that roller coaster feeling, like keep your arms inside of the wagon kind of thing.
No leaves on the ground, no shade in the creek bed.
I'm leaving it's in between my legs.
Oh, it's already sucked your blood.
What?
Yeah, it's big now.
How has this happened?
See? It's big.
Wow, how?
It sucked your blood, fall off.
Memories of the road, we're lost in the road.
That was the jungle walk. I think it started off with the guide saying you will only see insects, leeches and birds.
And trees.
And trees. That's when I was like, why do I even have these boots on my feet?
Yeah.
But you know, it was a beautiful walk, like especially if you haven't been to the jungle before, I'm sure this little walk can be very exciting. I got a leech on me. I'm not super
You're not super happy about the
happy
leech.
about the leech. I'm not super happy about it.
Red light on bottom.
We just got so much food.
This is like
This
three
is
times.
This is enough for like 3-4 days for us. It's ridiculous. Yeah, it's pouring down.
We're supposed to do this river cruise in like 15 minutes. Do you think it's going to be cancelled?
I think it's gonna be postponed because it looks quite light outside. So this might be just like a short kind of thing. We'll see what happens.
I'm so happy. I brought my swim shorts. So let it rain.
Gonna tear it all down. Gonna tear it all down. Gonna tear it all down. Gonna tear it all
Good morning.
Good morning. We're on our way to the boat to go back to society. The stay has been nice, but to be honest, we stayed 5 hours on the boat in this cruise adventure pack. So
Yeah, like 3 days, 2 nights. That's a little bit less than expected.
and we thought the lodging was going to be further up the river with less people, but we're actually only like 2 minutes from the main road, like just on the other side.
Yeah.
Of the road, which also makes it feel a little bit less authentic.
Yeah.
But we did see some cool stuff and we did have a good time, and it was super cheap. It's 550 ringgit, and we'll show you somewhere on the screen here how much that is in dollars.
Yeah.
But are we super happy with this experience?
I'm happy we did it.
And I think maybe I would do a little bit more research on other companies.
Yes, we took the first and best one we saw.
And cheapest.
And cheapest.
So you guys will be back next Monday with
Yeah.
a new video. We're gonna continue exploring Borneo for you guys, and we'll see you back then. We'll see you then. We'll
See
then.
you next week.
And subscribe and do all of this if you like the video.
Of course. Ciao.
Okay. Ciao.
But I'm not alone.